What's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you how you can make $3,000 every single day with DeepSeek AI. This is honestly actually insane. This is basically the best way to make money online right now. You guys really don't want to miss out on it, and you want to make sure that you do go ahead and take advantage of this and make as much money as possible. And also, guys, I do post make money online videos daily, so you definitely want to subscribe and notifications so you do see all of the newest ways to make money online so that you can make the most amount of money online. So what we're going to want to do, guys, we're going to go to deepseek.com, just like how I am right here right now. Now, once you are on DeepSeek, we are going to go ahead and basically go over to what do you call it? So there's either start now, free access to DeepSeek V3, experience the intelligent model, and get DeepSeek app. Chat on the go with DeepSeek V3, your free all-in-one AI tool. And you guys are going to see all this down here, right? So what we're going to want to do, guys, we are going to want to go over to where it says start now. And you could just go ahead and log in with Google or however you want to log in. So just go ahead and log in with Google, just like how I am, and then just go ahead and continue. And then once you do continue, guys, what we are going to see is message DeepSeek. So it's going to say, how can I help you today? So what we are going to want to do, guys, this is actually super insane. This is a super easy way to make thousands of dollars every single day on DeepSeek AI. So what we are going to want to do, guys, once we are here, we're going to want to go over and download. I'm sorry that the screen's like all messed up or whatever because it's like on the phone. But what we're going to want to do, guys, I'm going to show you this person that I messaged yesterday, just so an example, right? So he's basically making $100 off of these different assignments. So he's basically making $100 off of these different assignments, and what he's doing is plugging the assignments into DeepSeek AI. So what you guys want to do, guys, if you want to find people to sell assignments to, you just want to search up assignment help, right? Assignment help. And then you guys are going to basically see a bunch of people that are selling and that need help with assignments. So you want to find people that need help with assignments. And once they basically send you an assignment, you tell them $50 or $100, and you could do 15, 20 of these a day because this takes super fast to do. We're going to go to message DeepSeek and we're going to say, right? We're going to say, write me, 500, this is an example, right? Word essay on World War II, right? This is an example. We're just going to go ahead and submit that. And then what it's going to do, guys, it is going to go ahead and basically do that for you, which is honestly super insane, guys. So what we are going to want to do, you could say, write me an essay on World War II, and then just go ahead and basically send it, and it will go ahead and basically do that for you. You just want to go scroll up and it's going to say thinking, and then what it's going to do, it is going to go ahead and basically write you this. Okay, so here we are going to go ahead and do. So what we're going to see, it's going to basically ask you all these questions, and it's going to say this, let me structure the essay accordingly, and then here you guys go. It is going to go ahead and type it all for you as it goes, which is super insane, and you just basically submit it to the person that's paying you for the assignments, and you will get tons of money doing this super easily and super fast. So guys, with these videos, subscribe if you're new, put on notifications, like the video, share this video with everyone you know. Go to this right now, and yeah, guys, that's about it. Peace.